going to do this. So I, Sara of sewingmastery.com, declare the Bernina 990 is the sewing machine of the year. Let me tell you why. I've sewed for years, since I was a teenager. I have been in the sewing machine business my entire life. And there's times where you get in a slump and you just kind of don't sew anymore. And maybe you've experienced that before. And then something comes along that reignites your excitement for sewing. And the last 6 months, I have been sewing on the Bernina 990. And I actually just finished my very first embroidery course on this machine. And I was wowed. Many of you know that I used to work for Bernina back in my 20s. I worked for Oklahoma Embroidery. I've learned how to sew on a Bernina. And so Bernina has always been in my blood. I've always watched the progression of the machines. And they get to a point and you're just like, okay, what else could they add, right? And it's not so much what they've added, but when I sat down to finally sew, I had to sew a project and it was a sample and I was just like, one more thing. And then I realized this machine sews better than any sewing machine I've ever sewn on. And I've used a lot of sewing machines. At Heirloom Creations, our retail store here in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, we have Bernina machines. We're a Husqvarna Viking dealership. We're a Pfaff dealership, and we sell Singer machines. So we sell the basic machines to the most fancy machines. But I have found I have rekindled my love of sewing because of this machine. And that's saying a lot, since I've been doing this forever. And anytime we've had a class where we have had people sit down and sew on these machines, they say the same thing. And I know I'm just like one more person saying how amazing this machine was, but this was life-changing. I now want to go home after teaching, after filming a course, and I want to go home and sew. Whether I have time or the energy, I still have a teenager at home, so that's a whole different story. But I want to make time, and I have. And I've been so excited that I wanted to make this video saying that this is a machine you need to try out. This is the machine of the year. I have been able to do things that I've never been able to do on a Bernina, and it made it so easy. So the Dream Big panels behind me are actually embroidered, and I've done a couple of them on a couple machines now. This was the easiest machine. That course was flawless. The stitching of all the embroidery designs, by the way, there's 60 designs. And yes, because of the larger hoop, I could get a few extra designs in at a time. So I didn't have to do 60 hoopings, but I probably did 50. And I was able to combine some. The scanning of the fabric made it easy, plop it down, away I went. The stitching and the smoothness. I set it up at a class the other day, and this is a big class, and sometimes you go to a sewing retreat and there's always people that are embroidering and their machines are just loud and kind of clunky and they run them all day long. And there's nothing wrong with that, but when people noticed that this machine was so much quieter, they're like, I don't even hear it running. And I was working on my own little project off to the side in between helping students, and it was also a faster machine. So it just like went through everything so smooth, and people started to notice, oh, my machine doesn't sound like that. It doesn't stitch that fast. So I'm saying of all the machines that I have been working on over the last 5-10 years, this one was a game changer for me. So if you haven't had a minute to try out and see what the 990 is all about, yes, you can read the website and you can see all the marketing. It's more about sewing on it, because this machine was out for quite a while before I actually took the time to sew a project on it. And Bernina included a lot of the things that used to be extra are included with this machine. So take a look at what comes with the machine. I think you'll be really happy with all the bonus things. And if you already have Bernina accessories, Bernina hoops, they will all fit on this machine. When I was doing the Bernina Stitch Regular Masterclass and did the lesson for the Bernina 990, that was the start of when I really started to realize how beautiful this machine was. For the stitch regulator, this machine, the stitch regulator is now mounted underneath or integrated into the throat plate of this machine, which allows me to use other feet, like ruler feet, with the Bernina stitch regulator already integrated all at once. I could do free motion couching and also have those equal stitches no matter how fast or slow I was moving the fabric. So whether you're a garment sewer, you want to sew bags that have those thick areas, or you want to attempt some larger embroidery projects that you haven't been able to do based on limitations of your current machine, the Bernina 990 might be just your answer. So I, Sara of sewingmastery.com, declare the Bernina 990 is the sewing machine of the year.